Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to cut, copy, and paste elements in Google Drawings. So you've got your Google Drawing, and you click on the Edit menu, and you'll notice that there's this chunk of 4 different options: cut, copy, paste, and paste without formatting. Notice that cut and copy are currently grayed out. I can't actually use these at the moment, and the reason I can't use these at the moment is because I don't have anything selected in my Google Drawing. If I select the text box and then go back to edit, now notice that I can select cut or copy and still paste and paste without formatting. Cut is pretty self-explanatory. If I cut the object, it just gets rid of it. If I copy the object, I create a copy of that object, but it doesn't appear on my drawing. So if I copy it, notice I don't have 2 copies. What this has done is this has added this element to my clipboard. All right, now what that allows me to do is I can now paste that object either in this Google Drawing, or maybe I've got a different Google Drawing open and I just want that object in the other one. I can switch to that Google Drawing and then paste it into that one. You don't have to paste into the same Google Drawing. So I can copy it and then paste and paste without formatting. Assume that something is on your clipboard. So if you don't have anything in your clipboard, although you probably should, it typically stores whatever the very last thing you had in there, even if it was a few days ago. It generally remembers what's on your clipboard. You can either paste the element, or there's this one, paste without formatting. And in order to understand how paste without formatting works, understand that when you copy an object, that object has different properties than where you may want to paste that object. So if I want to include a quote in this drawing and I copy and paste that from somewhere else, the formatting of that quote is stored when I copy that quote. It's called the source formatting. Well, if that's different from my destination formatting, which formatting do I want? Do I want the old source formatting, or do I want it to be formatted similar to what is in the new destination? So if you want to keep the old formatting, the source formatting, you would just use paste. Paste will just, whatever the format was, just use that as well. Paste without formatting basically takes the object, removes any of the special formatting from the source, and then we'll paste it into the destination using whatever default formatting you have for your destination location that would apply to that object.